Hello students, let's work this problem together. The following table displays Erica's net worth statement. What is Erica's net worth? So as we know, the net worth is the difference between assets and liabilities. So here they have already listed all of the assets together and all of the liabilities. So if we look here in the table, we have the assets all grouped together, and then we have our liabilities all grouped together. And so to find the net worth, we take all of our assets, which is the positive values because they are things that we own, and we're going to subtract the liabilities because the liabilities are the negative values because they are things that we still owe to somebody or have to pay off. Okay, so let's get the sum of all of our assets. So we're going to take the 120,200, 6,300, the savings, our investments of 5,800, jewelry that is worth 1,800, and the car that is valued at 9,300. So if we add all of that up to find the sum, we get that's 24, 6, 8, 13, 14, 3, carry 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 1. So 143,400 for the assets. Now we will find the sum of our liabilities. So for the liabilities, we have a credit office items, so 8,540. Also student loans, and then credit card debt. So we find the sum of those debts or liabilities. We're going to get 4, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, and 3 more is 13. 9, 10, 18. So 28,340. So as we can see that the assets are way more than the liabilities, then we are going to end up with a positive net worth. It is possible to end up with a negative net worth when the assets are less than the liabilities. When a person owes or has more debt than they have assets, they have a negative net worth, which is not very good, right? But here we can see that this person, Erica, is going to have a positive net worth. Now, to find the actual net worth, we're going to take the assets and we're going to subtract the liabilities from it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll just write here what we're going to do. The net worth, as you can see in our little poster that we put down here, is equal to the assets minus the liabilities. So for us, we're going to have to do 143,400 minus 28,340. Okay, just looking at what we're going to do, since we're going to be subtracting 143,000 minus only 28,000, that's going to leave us with a number over 100,000. Does everybody see that? So we know that B is too low. Okay, and we can also pretty much tell that D is too low. So let's go ahead and subtract them. minus 28,340. 0. We're going to have to regroup, borrow and regroup. That's going to be 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we have to borrow and regroup again. It's going to be 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 1. So it looks like it's 115,060 is the net worth, which is C. So our net worth is 115,060 because we took the total assets, all of the things that they listed that have a positive value because they are things that we own or have monetary value. And then we subtracted the liabilities because the liabilities are items that are owed to others. And then we got our net worth.